We took this approach of we started with just very low fidelity wireframes, and we abstracted out a lot of the content strategy pieces and really just started with what are the blocks that we need. And then once we identified a bunch of different types of blocks, a bunch of different potential styles that would exist within them, then we added some of the content strategy back. And then we said, okay, here's a core set of templates. Right now we have 8 within our portfolio, and we allow our customers and prospects to pretty much browse our list of templates and say, I would like to apply this template to my career site. Out the other side, you'll get candidates into your CRM. Let's say I want to search for a product manager. Search near to my heart. So one of the things that we do, we pride ourselves in having great search technology. We use Google. Years back, they announced their Google for Jobs initiative. The job search API is one that powers the career sites. There's a profiles API that powers the CRM. So when we pass in product manager, we have an index set of all of our candidates in Google search algorithm. We take this phrase product manager, we pass it to them, they send back a response that's all these product managers, in this case 33 of them, that are relevant to this position that are in my database itself. Let's say I'm feeling I have an exact role that I'm looking for, which is usually the case. And here it is. So I've got this role. So this is an integration with the underlying applicant tracking system. So in this case, when it's iCIMS as the ATS and iCIMS Nurture as the CRM, they're connected together. So I'm going to take this role right here, and I'm going to pass in the title, the description, all the structured data that's associated with that role. And I'm going to use that as effectively my query to the engines that are working within Nurture. So we do something really cool. It's a strategy called ensemble matching. And we don't have time to get into really deep into the weeds on the technology here, but you can think of it as this. There are 3 different matching engines that are sitting here behind the scenes. We take this request, all the structured data associated with this product manager position, and we send it to 3 different engines. And then they independently return 3 responses back to us with candidates. We look at them, we identify where are their agreements among the responses and the engines, and then we weight them according to what we see their strengths are. And then we only serve the results back to the recruiter in this case when we do see those agreements, when there are fits, when the weights work out properly according to our tolerances for relevancy and precision. And then we service those back to the recruiter.